Welcome to our channel. Today, we talk about 2027 Mercedes-Benz Rose Silver Pulse motorhome. So our target is 1,000 subscriber. So hit the subscribe button. Also drop a comment which motorhome will be next. Let's dive in. Exterior. The exterior of the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Rose Silver Edition is a masterclass in sensual purity, design, and aerodynamic violence. Draped in a stunning, liquid dark silver finish that shifts depth under the sunlight. The body is a seamless sculpture crafted from reinforced carbon fiber and lightweight aerospace-grade alloys. As you can see from the image, this Titan rests on a specialized heavy-duty 12-wheel configuration, featuring 3 sets of dual axles that provide absolute stability for this massive rig. These 24-inch forged alloy wheels are finished in a deep matte black, grounding the shimmering silver body with a menacing stance. The front fascia is unmistakable, featuring a massive, illuminated Mercedes-Benz grille and ultra-slim, matrix beam headlamps that can pierce through the thickest fog. One of the most striking features is the vibrant pink LED lighting system that traces the sharp contours of the air intakes, the roofline, and the lower chassis, giving it a signature cyberluxe aesthetic. The silhouette is dominated by an aerodynamic dual-deck design, including a massive panoramic glass cockpit that wraps into a transparent side fuselage. With its low-slung stance, active rear diffusers, and glowing pink Mercedes emblems, this motorhome looks less like an RV and more like a high-tech starship designed for the next century of luxury travel. Full interior. Step inside through the motorized power slide atrium, and you are immediately welcomed into this sovereign sanctuary, a world of deep dark silver leather, polished obsidian stone, and brilliant pink laser lighting. Kitchen. The culinary atelier is a minimalist masterpiece, featuring a waterfall-edge countertop made of dark silver-veined marble with integrated invisible induction surfaces. It is equipped with a professional-grade convection oven, a hidden refrigeration vault, and custom metallic cabinetry that opens silently with a biometric touch, all illuminated by crisp pink LED accents. Washroom. The Infinity Spa is a sanctuary of textured silver stone and dark-tinted glass, featuring a walk-in rainfall shower with self-cleaning sapphire glass and pink therapeutic lighting. The vanity is carved from a single block of matte black quartz, and the smart mirror provides a high-definition display of the vehicle's vital systems and local climate data in vibrant pink graphics. Bedroom. Located at the rear of the upper deck, the Midnight Suite features a king-size memory foam mattress wrapped in dark silver Alcantara with pink diamond stitching. The room is surrounded by panoramic smart glass windows that offer a 270-degree view, switching from crystal clear to total blackout privacy with a single voice command. LED screen view. Integrated into the forward bulkhead is a monumental 90-inch wraparound micro-LED wall. This screen functions as a digital window, projecting a live 360-degree feed of the outside world or transforming the entire lounge into a private 12K IMAX theater for movie nights under the stars. Sofas view. The primary seating area features dual throne-class, modular sofas wrapped in premium dark silver leather with striking pink contrast piping. These sofas feature zero-gravity reclining, hot stone massage functions, and built-in haptic feedback that vibrates to the rhythm of your favorite music or the engine's powerful, whisper-quiet purr. Steering wheel and dashboard. Finally, the cockpit is the brain of the Mercedes-Benz experience. The dashboard is a single, seamless digital hyperscreen that integrates thermal night vision and Level 5 AI pilot controls. The steering wheel is a futuristic, leather-wrapped yoke with haptic touchpads and a central pink glowing Mercedes hub, putting the full power of German innovation right in your palms. Performance. Underneath the liquid silver armor lies a quad-motor EQ hybrid powertrain, delivering a staggering 1,450 horsepower and 16,000 lb-ft of torque. This enables the 2027 Mercedes-Benz Rose Silver Edition to reach 60 miles per hour in a physics-defying 4.3 seconds, unheard of for a 12-wheel rig of this magnitude. It features all-wheel independent steering for incredible maneuverability in tight city spaces and an active, e-active body control suspension that scans the road 2,000 times per second to neutralize every bump before it reaches the cabin. With its high-capacity hydrogen fuel cells and solar recovery skin, this rig offers a massive 850-mile range with zero emissions, proving that the future of heavy-duty luxury is as clean as it is dominant. Current 2026 pricing. Bespoke German engineering on this scale is an investment in absolute prestige. For those placing orders in 2026 for the 2027 delivery, the Mercedes-Benz Rose Silver Edition starts at a base MSRP of $4,100,000. However, the Apex Sovereign Edition we've explored today, with the full 12-wheel chassis upgrade, the 90-inch micro-LED wall, and the high-output 1,450 HP hybrid system, carries a final price of $5,850,000. It is a significant investment, but for a Mercedes-Benz that is essentially a mobile private estate, it is a value that will last a lifetime. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz Rose Silver Edition is a bold statement that the future of travel is clean, powerful, and incredibly luxurious. It proves that you can have 1,450 horsepower and a two-story master suite in one stunning silver and pink package. If you enjoyed this exclusive tour of the world's most advanced mobile home, hit that subscribe button and join the Motorhome Apex family for more. Drop a comment below. Would you live in this 12-wheel beast full-time? Until next time, stay legendary, and we'll see you on the road.